These are the 5 best personal robots you can buy this year. They are all designed to be helpful and interactive, while also being great choices for learning about robotics, programming, and coding. Whether you are looking for a gift for a child or a life companion, these robots are sure to please and help keep your home or pet healthy and happy with their advanced features and unlimited possibilities. Number 5. Vector. Vector is a home robot that is advanced for its price. It is designed to fulfill the promise of living with robots that was only seen in science fiction movies. Vector is curious and aware of his surroundings. He has sensors that allow him to see, hear, and feel what's happening around him. Vector is happy to help and is eager to accommodate requests and answer questions. He is not a fully grown robot butler, but he is a helpful little guy. Vector was designed with security and privacy in mind. He has a lot of technology packed into his small frame that brings him to life. He can interpret the world around him and respond in a realistic way. Vector is excited to see his owner and is ready to follow instructions. He has a personality that is believable and surprising. Vector was designed with care and attention to detail. He undergoes extensive testing to make sure he is ready to survive in the real world. Number 4. ClicBot. The ClicBot is a fun and easy way to get into coding and robotics. With over 1,000 possible configurations, you can build a wide variety of robots that can walk, roll, or slither. The ClicBot app makes it easy to drag and drop code to make your robot do what you want. You can also input your own code to make your robot do anything you can imagine. With continuous updates and enhancements, the ClicBot is always staying relevant and fun to play, making it a great companion for kids of all ages, parents, and educators. Number 3. Robosen K1 Pro. The Robosen K1 Pro is a humanoid robot that can be controlled with a mobile app or voice commands. It has 17 servo motors and 18 microchips, allowing for a great deal of movement and flexibility. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery. The Robosen K1 Pro is a highly personal and customizable robot that offers a virtually limitless range of programmable motion sequences, making it a great choice for those who want to learn about robotics, programming, and coding. Number 2. Miko 3. Miko 3 is a smart robot for kids that is powered by AI. It is designed to help with STEM learning and is interactive with coding apps and games. It makes a great birthday gift for girls and boys aged 5 to 12, as it is equipped with an emotional intelligence machine and unlimited access to telepresence. The Miko Parent app lets you have complete control over the robot, and it is 100% child-safe. Number 1. Rollbot. Rollbot is an intelligent rolling robot that is not only a toy, but a life companion. With advanced sensor modules, a wide-angle HD camera, and a high-performance processor, Rollbot can move smoothly, quickly, and precisely over a variety of surfaces. Rollbot is also waterproof and can stand with his head up. He's a great choice for a home robot or life companion, and he helps to keep your pet healthy and happy with interactive moving features that will stimulate the pet's nature and provide them with exercise and stimulation even when you are not around.